Hi, thanks for watching the video. Today I'm going to talk to you about our latest addition to Bins and Things. This is a cable management box slash organizer, and I never knew how messy my desk is until you look underneath it, especially with a computer, smartphone, tablet charger. It's a complete mess, and this box will help you organize all of your cable, your power strip, into one tiny box. And this box is white, and the dimension on it is 16.25 inches from end to end, and the height is 6.2 inches, and the depth is 6.2, and it comes with a bonus cable tie with 3M tapes on the bottom where you can stick it to your desk and organize your USB cable for charging. And this is one of the free bonus that we are doing right now. It's included in this organizer. And the difference between our organizer and every one of them out in the market right now is most of them, they just have a flat top with two openings for the cables or on the back. But our designs are a little different and make it more multifunctional. As you could tell, on the top here you can see all the opening for cables that could come out from inside the box. Let's say you have a smartphone, tablet that you need charging. So this is great. It comes with a channel over here where you could have your phone and your tablet sitting up like this while it charges. And the cable will come out from the bottom, plug into the phone, nice and neat, organized, everything in one place. So let's see how the box looks like. So on the bottom, there's two tab over here where it's anti-skid. It won't scratch up your desk if you want to use up in your desk. And here's how the side look where the cables come in. And you can just press on it and it opens up. So this is how the inside looks like. The cover. And this is the inside of the box. So let's say you have a big power strip. You just leave them up there, put it in there, and power cord, you can plug them in. And USB cable you want to use for charging, plug that in. And you can just slide through one of the holes over here. And you put this cover back. And there you go. It keeps all your cables hidden away, nice and neat. And one of the great things is because you have young kids like I do, this is great, or pets. This is great to keep your kids and pets safe from getting accidentally shocked. So if you want to charge your phone or your tablet, you just slide it under the channel here and hold the phone upright, and you can just plug the USB cable in. And it will keep it nice and neat and organized, and all the cables safe from kids and pets. And this box is pretty big, so you could pretty much fit any type of power strips in there, and multiple power cords if you like, and keep everything hidden, out of place. It'll look neat under your desk. If you want to put it on top of your desk and use it to charge your phone and your tablet, you could do that also, and it'll look great, and it makes a great stand for your phones or your tablet. And multiple ports over here where you can slide out. Plastic is made out of hard, thick plastic, so it's pretty sturdy. And this is it. Thanks for watching.